Hey guys, so we're looking at Babb, which is Backs. See it over here. It's ranked 1,327. All right, current price is basically 0.000009 of a cent, 7.45 market cap, which is million. And then got a volume of around 322,000. We have a total supply of 100 billion. It's currently a Ethereum based asset. All right, you want to go over here. Got a new contract that I just selected. Let me go back. I'm gonna move too fast. So you see right up here, we have where uh, a new Babb has migrated to a new contract address. If you look over here to your right, make sure this is the address. If you're doing any swaps, like Coinbase wallet, if you're going from Ethereum into this asset, make sure you're choosing the right token contract. Also, pay attention to this number. It's currently 4,718. We want to continue seeing this grow. That means it's healthy. And that more holders are coming in and established wallets for this. So keep an eye out on this. I'm currently on the Ether scan. So make sure you able to access this. All right, currently this is traded on, Qcorn. You got MEXC, you got Bitmark, etc. Like I said before, you can get it also on wallets. You can try SafePal, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, any wallet let you go from Ethereum to an asset in this ecosystem. So it's pretty good. All right, let's go and look at Babb. All right, we're just going down. All right, let's talk about the microeconomy, which is going to be really huge, and this already is. I'm thinking a lot of small businesses in countries where they don't have access to traditional financing, traditional investment for infrastructure. Through micro lending, microeconomy, you will be able to do this. You open up doors to people who typically wouldn't have access to services or financial services at that. So micro economy is something that they're focusing on. Like I said, imagine a young lady who's a farmer or who has things that she takes down to the farmers market and she sells. She may need inventory. Microeconomy is going to be able to connect a lot of people who want to see others succeed, but at the same time, it could be lucrative opportunities by you getting involved into the microeconomy and doing business with other up and coming entrepreneurs. All right, so here's their mission. All right, they definitely want to uplift the underserved demographic by building a simple, safe, fast, and bulletproof financial service platform that can be used by anyone, anywhere, bringing state of the art technology and support the vision of making financial inclusion global. Right. So remember, they're trying to bank the unbanked. Okay. Like they said, billions of people around the world are unbanked, and more people find themselves within the microeconomy. And it's a beautiful site that we got, especially get to the interface of the front end. It's real sleek, real good. And now they focus a lot on the GPB, which is the British pound. But if you download the app, they got other access. Where you can, you know, operate in USD as well. You got swap futures that's on here. So that's pretty good. Cool. All right. So let's go down and look at about us, and then you'll see also at the bottom where they have some partners. And these partners are really something to look into. All right, so ClearBank is one of the partners. So here's ClearBank. All right, some of the things they do. They here's some use cases. So they got digital asset platforms. You're gonna see people like Coinbase and Gemini. So these are clients that's working with them. And you have fintechs. So these are some of the fintech companies that work with them as well. You got your acquirers and some partners. And I also learned. Right, so here's an article written on Microsoft. So Microsoft also partners with them as well through the case studies. You can see here's Microsoft. It's a case study, so it's behind that. So it's something to check out. Now we go back to Babb. We can click C. All right, they are a London-based FinTech company that provides accessible financial services. Now, I like what I see right here is the regulatory and compliance. So they are regulation first. They like to make sure they're compliant, which is really good. All right, so they're registered crypto asset firm with the UK Financial Conduct Authority under the Money Laundering, Terrorist and Financing and Transfer of Funds. They're also registered as a non-security token with the U.S. Security Exchange Commission. So they went through the SEC and they went the proper channel and they're a non-security token. So that's good. They also are registered with the UK Financial Conduct Authority as an e-money institution under the firm reference number 932609. All right, we actually can go and look at that. Let me go find that for you. All right, so I'm under the Financial Conduct Authority. And you clearly see Babb, Remit, and here's the reference number over here to your right on the screen. So yeah, they're checking out pretty legit to be compliant. All right, and here's some articles. Clearbait partnership. It's going to be a catalyst for innovation. All right, so Clearbank's entry to the European market is a testament to their leadership. So this is based off of Clearbank. But Clearbank also has partnership now for Babb. So for Babb, this is an opportunity to reinforce our commitment to our users access the globe, offering them the best in banking technology through partnership with both strategic and forward thinking. Right, so that's pretty good. Okay, and then like I said, Babb partners include Clearbank, Railsbank, Signum, Swift, MasterCard, NeoPay. So MasterCard is really huge for having it. Here's Signum. So they still raising capital for themselves, but they are to a bank with great partnerships as well. Here's their site. So they invested in crypto with regulated Swift break bank. Um, so that's pretty good that they are a regulated bank. So you see a lot of regulations start to come through, make things a little lax. So you definitely want to see this for a lot of crypto projects that we're dealing with for the most part. I know some people may be concerned about the price. Uh, it's okay right now. We did have a spike up today, but right now the volume is not that great. The liquidity, especially you got you got the plus 2% depth, and right now this is very very low compared to the volume in the last 24 hours. So that means we'll see a hard time for this to pick back up until some more liquidity come into the market. And that's exactly what you see. You see a nice little push up around 43%. And then we had this little pullback right now. And that means that we ran out of liquidity of the buy side. The buy side started out strong, but it couldn't sustain this rally, and so it's falling right now, which means that the sell side is in more control than the buy side. So this is a natural imbalance that we see on the market. Right? Now, that means that we also have opportunity. The price could come back down into these zones, which has already started. And we see that this was a particular zone. Of course, this is one too, but go across the board. This has been an area of influence where price has reacted on multiple occasions. So it's better to buy at these levels than buying up at these levels. So you do have a pullback, you do have a gift. So yeah, go in, study Babb, backs. So if you find other things that's involved, but the way it's priced, that could be a nice little dark horse in the making for the future. At least leaving enough in the tank to realize that. But other than that, that's all I have. Like I said, you can swap this in your Coinbase wallet. You don't have to have it exchanged. So that's all I have to say. Hit the like button, subscribe. It's your boy E White, and enjoy your evening.